big update. According to the information that we have got, the bail plea has been rejected. I repeat, the bail plea has been rejected. We'll put that out for our viewers in a short while from now. But, we are waiting for the order to come in. And remember that this entire case was even postponed by many weeks, Hridita. Even though we came to know that Chinmoy Das was not well, he was unwell, he was hospitalized, his health was failing. And once again, Chinmoy Das's bail plea has been rejected by the court. Big breaking update coming in right now on Republic TV. And if I can get Hridita back. Hridita, let's go back to you. Once more, the bail plea rejected by the court. Yes, Hridita, go ahead.
25th of November that the Metropolitan Dhaka police had arrested Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu without even providing a police warrant, and today is the 2nd of January of 2025. So you understand it's already been more than a month that he has been arrested. He has been kept inside the jail where nobody is being allowed to meet him. A Vaishnava who is being arrested without any warrant, without providing any logic behind his arrest, and the bail plea has been rejected again in the Chattogram court today. And that is the biggest breaking that we are understanding after regular attacks on Hindus which are going in Bangladesh, and the government is completely deaf and dumb about this incident. They are continuously rejecting the attacks which are going on Hindus. And today also morning we have seen that a boy was allegedly picked up from his home and taken and was arrested by the Bangladesh police because of a Facebook post made by him. So it is a repetitive attack going on in Bangladesh on Hindus, and the bail plea which has been rejected of Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu again today marks the biggest attack on Hindu which is continuously going on in Bangladesh at the moment. Back to you.
Right. Hridita is getting us those updates coming in, and we keep showing those pictures which are right outside the court. Chinmoy Das's hearing has ended, and okay, we are getting joined by Mayuk also. Let's go to Mayuk. Mayuk, very, very big update coming in. And after we saw that the bail hearing was literally scheduled 1 month, postponed by 1 month, and his lawyers were attacked, his lawyers were hospitalized, his lawyers were threatened and even Chinmoy Das was unwell all this while. Once again, we see after the hearing, the bail plea has been rejected. Mayuk.
Well, quite disappointing for the Hindu monks and community members.
Right.
But the fact is that right now what we are getting in is that Chinmay Krishna Prabhu's bail plea has been rejected, and most importantly, how it has been rejected. This is a unique case study for the legal fraternity across the world. In fact, human rights committees, they have already sent
Yes, Mayuk, I'll come back to you in just a moment. Hridita, I'm coming back to you. Hridita, what we see right now is that the bail plea has been rejected. This is coming in as, MEA, as even international activists, international communities. This story has resonated. The kind of atrocities that has been meted out to the Hindu community in Bangladesh has reached all corners of the world, even the Western countries. And even after all this, we are seeing that once more the court has decided to reject the Bangladeshi monks' bail plea after postponing it by weeks, Hridita.
Correct. This is not the first time that his bail plea got rejected, but a several number of times was his bail plea was postponed a lot of times, and we get to understand that from 25th of November to 2nd of January is a quite long time. It's more than a month of time that the Bangladesh court, the Yunus government, has kept quiet about this Hindu monk's arrest, which was done due to unreasoned logics. So we understand that it is a real disappointment to the Hindu monk and the law and order fraternity of Bangladesh Bangladesh. And it is just not in Bangladesh, but we have seen earlier that Ajit Doval had also visited. There has been steps taken from MEA. He has also visited Bangladesh, and we understand that there was also talks about the Hindu communities being saved there, of the population which is decreasing day by day in Bangladesh from 33%. We understand that now it is only 7% of Hindus there. So the community is really need to be saved. So we had seen earlier Ajit Doval had traveled back to Bangladesh in December, and there had been talks, and Bangladesh, the Yunus government, has been criticized for the arrest of Hindu monks all over the world. International steps, human rights authorities has actually taken calls. They have actually expressed their concern about the arrest of Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu. We have also seen earlier ISKCONs all over the world has protested in this issue. Radharaman Das Prabhu had made his comment and has expressed his concern from Kolkata's ISKCON, and yet the Yunus government is non-reactive towards it. The Yunus government does not want to take a second thought about it, whereas this Hindu monk was arrested for unknown reasons, and the bail plea again got rejected today. So it is the biggest disappointment that is coming forward now. Back to you.
Right, getting in this back updates coming in. That means no bail, I repeat, no bail for Chinmay Prabhu. Remember, this is coming in as the Hindu monk bail plea has been rejected in the sedition case. His arrest has sparked so much of outrage among Hindu groups, among activists, human rights activists, who have been alleging that he is targeted for his efforts to highlight the rising attacks on Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. And a short while back, we saw that around 11 Supreme Court lawyers were participating in the bail hearing of Chinmay Das. We're also coming to know, viewers, that while we have been leading up to this hearing, we also saw how the Hindus continue to be targeted, how the lawyers of Chinmay Das were targeted, threatened, beaten up even. Chinmay Prabhu Das's health has been worsening in the past few weeks, but still we see that the bail plea has been rejected. Chinmay Das was arrested on November 25th. Since then, he has been held in custody. There have been mounting calls for his release. Supporters and many are saying he's being falsely implicated in a fabricated, I repeat, in a fabricated and a made-up sedition case, with the sole purpose of this being silencing his voice against atrocities on Hindus. Like we told you, viewers, the past few weeks, as we have been leading up to this bail plea hearing, which, by the way, has now been rejected, a lot of lawyers of his have argued that his health is getting worse due to the continuous detention. And he has been suffering from diabetes, from other breathing issues, which are getting worse because of his detention in jail. It's raising concerns among his followers and human rights organizations about the well-being of Chinmay Das. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. We have seen that support has been pouring in from all quarters, not just from India, from ISKCON as well, from all over the world. Concerns are being shown by world leaders as well. ISKCON Kolkata has come out in strong support of Chinmay Krishnadas. We are seeing that we see the MEA keeping a very close eye on the story. And this is a big update coming in right now, where in the latest coming in, I repeat, in the latest coming in, the Hindu monk Chinmay Prabhu bail's plea has been rejected by the Bangladesh court. Let's go back to Ridhita joining us. Ridhita, as we keep getting our viewers more updates, we have to talk a little bit more about the kind of support that Chinmay Krishnadas has been getting, not just from the Hindu community in Bangladesh or even other quarters, but more coming in from, internationally. A lot of people, a lot of protests and a lot of marches have been happening, Ridhita, in foreign countries supporting Chinmay Das.
Correct. We have seen a worldwide protest in support of Chinmay Das Prabhu, where we have seen Germany protest, the Hindu community in Germany, the Hindu community in US, UK, Japan. South Korea has come out in the fields, has come out on the roads and protested for the release of Chinmay Das, Krishna Das Prabhu. And to understand that after Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu has been arrested for unknown reasons, and the court, there was other lawyers, Hindu lawyers, who had come forward in presenting his plea, and there was case again registered against them as well. Last day on 12th of December, when we saw Ravindra Ghosh had visited the court to present his plea, to present the plea, he was also attacked. His car was also attacked outside the Chattogram court, and the next day he was said, fine, you can come and visit Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu in the jail and see how is he doing. So even then he was not allowed. They were said the time that was given to him, they were denied. He was denied to meet him at that time and said you can come later and meet him. So it is a continuous atrocity which is going on against Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu. His bail has been rejected. Lawyers who is coming forward, the Hindu lawyers who is coming forward to save him, to present the plea, are being rejected continuously. The Yunus government is completely deaf and dumb to the worldwide protest as well. As you were saying that there was a worldwide protest which is going on. We have seen in US, UK, Korea, Japan, everywhere, from every corner of the world there are protests which is coming in favor of Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu. The government, the Yunus government, is still quiet about that. They are mum to react to that. They are still not reacting. If they were reacting, if they would have taken a serious action towards it, then today's bail plea would not have been rejected. We understand that 11 Hindu lawyers again from Dhaka has traveled around 2 hours to Chattogram to present this bail today, and the bail was again rejected, and that is the biggest disappointment for the Hindu fraternity, for the Hindu monks in staying in Bangladesh. And not only in Bangladesh, but that is a worldwide, that is like a worldwide disappointment for Hindus living worldwide, for the law fraternity, for the human rights fraternity, everyone throughout the world. It is the biggest disappointment today. Back to you.
All right, I'll be coming back to you, Hritita. We will be taking a short break right now because we will track the story very closely. No bail for Chinmay Prabhu. The hearing has ended.